Hello family. Honest. Good day. This is not kind of a tutorial post but one of a kind of a fun fact, fun sharing all story about it. We see on passing time loud stuff. This la Sunday 2020 what 3rd or 4th of March 2024. Mi arion la kain tok pisine mila seri wantu iko no semi ogu funny lilik ora time you pisilo learning soul stuff. Some the time you must have some jokes to refresh your mental health lilik san bos lumer ron lo bakset stuff no bisilem bada point is empathy me no mean the point is empathy me but the point is mi ari on tok big sis mo abeli man ka paiti mina solan tok chicken with no feathers on emotion. That's the English version but if mila translate him go back to pidgin by me to go kagarut no got grass but in matsa expressional and simplified manner by me to go one and by me to one Kela Pisin Kela kagaruko and so like mystery lo that's all. Thank you Lolo. Watch na like people wanna pistana watch them please drop your comments or wanna pistana watch them. Much love kids.
Today is a gift, for we don't know what tomorrow might bring. Life is too short for so, and I don't like holding on to little brothers that will keep on taunting me. Just wanna live my moments with the happiness. That's what I say. What do I want pay? We should let it go and just forget it all, yo. They say life is a race, and I'm on the chase until I realize I'm still chasing my dreams, yeah. They say life is a race and I'm on the chase until I realize I'm still chasing my dreams, yeah. Oh.